Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the software we have to auto manage and warm up multiple Twitter accounts at the same time. So here is my software I'm currently using to manage multiple Twitter accounts. So to do it, I just need to add the account that I want in the account management. So with this function, I can add and manage a limited Twitter account. Okay, next to warm up your Twitter account, I will go to interactive function. So first I will select the account I want to warm up, and next I will make the script that have the action like a real user. So in here you can choose the interaction like about personal interaction, interact with follow, or interact with chat, or interact with community, or interact aside. So you can choose the action like about read notification, scroll new feeds, like post, repost spot, it mean retweet, and bookmark follow from the account that you want. And you can save the script that you want. And after having the script, I just need to press start and let software do work. Okay, so basically I just show you how to use my software to manage and warm up multiple Twitter account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or Zap. And don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.